Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway, and as promised, I'm going to look at the fell. So, as promised, I'm going to look at the replacement fell I received. Now, we're looking right now at the original fell that I had, and as I stated in the last video, this was just a non-starter. Could never get it to do anything. And so I spoke to Keith when I was at Worley in 2022, and he said to send it back to him in Canada as I'm in the US, which I did. Heard nothing for weeks. Eventually, after I emailed him a couple of times, he came back and said, yeah, they couldn't solve the problem with it. And they were having a new batch made, and they were going to send me out one of the new batch. So I was waiting for that. It arrived, and to be honest, I was kind of pissed. And so I never even looked at it. And it wasn't until, all the trouble with KR recently that I actually thought, oh, yeah, I should open that up and see if it's okay. If Keith is listening, I'm not happy camper, because I would have hoped that when somebody sent you back something that didn't work and you sent out a replacement, you would have made sure that the replacement worked, at least tested it or something before you sent it out. Anyway, as you just saw, I did get it running, but it was a real pain. Let me walk you through some of the things that I did to get to that result. But, as you can see here, and as you're going to see, similar sort of scenario with the replacement to what was going on with this one when it was just not behaving. So as I promised in that last video, let's get the fell out and we'll see if this one works and what we actually have here. Well, it does say the fell DCC sound BR green. As you will recall, and I will show you right now, the original one I had that I sent to them was black and was an early crest. So this is obviously not the same model that I sent them. Well, let's open it up and just see, but I don't think it's the same model that I sent them. But that's okay. At the end of the day, it's a fell, and hopefully it's a working fell. So yeah, it's a BR green late crest as opposed to the BR black early crest. Well, we'll get it out and we'll see what we have here. So have it on the track. Let's connect up the DCC controller and see what it does. So here we go again. Let me make sure this is properly on the track. Okay, so I moved it around on the track. Maybe the wheels weren't taking full contact. So it is finding the decoder now. Okay, so the moment of truth. Let's see if we have any sound. Oh. Is it going to move? Okay, let me see if I can find out what's going on. I'm getting the same problem again. What is going on? I played with the pickups to see if that helps. I honestly do not believe that KR Models sent me a replacement from their office in Canada and they didn't test it before they sent it out. Sorry, this is one of some of the problems I think that have led to the demise of KR Models, is that I don't know, they just don't seem to have any thought about what they did and how they did stuff. But I just kind of played with the pickups a little. We'll see if this helps. Okay, I'm going through setting up this decoder, and I'm actually hearing stuff happen on the loco. So it actually found the decoder that time. But no sound and no movement. Okay, so I took it apart, took the decoder out, put the decoder back in, and guess what? It's not moving. Let me try it on the longer piece of track. No lights are working. It's trying to go somewhere. Interesting. Definitely still seems to be a pickup issue. Okay, it's kind of ran. Let me play with these pickups more. So it kind of goes for a little bit, and then it stops, and then it goes and stops, and the wheels just, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go try it on the layout. It just doesn't, I don't know. Okay, so don't ask me why, but we're running. See if we can speed up. No, stopped. Thanks for watching. Obviously, I don't think this is still perfect, but it is running. I'm going to dig out that Jenny Kirk video that she did some time ago when the Fell was having issues where she stripped the wheels off and put them back on or whatever. I can't remember. I know I remembered watching it because I tried doing it on the one that I had that didn't work at all. So I might try to do that, but in the meantime, at least now it's running. But why would I have to go through all these hoops to get this running? Um, yeah, it's kind of interesting. I mean, I love the fact that KR tried to do something different and produce these models that nobody else was producing. But, the GT3 was superb. And after that, it seems like things just were never quite as good. Anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe button to the right, and there'll be another video on the left.